Hello. Um, Number 9a. What is the shape equipotential surface of a point charge? Let's say you have the point charge. Let's say this is a positive charge. So meaning the electric field produced by the positive charge here is direction is outward, right? This is outward, right? And then you draw the let's say the dash line here, okay, around the positive charge, right? So this is a dash line. So this is a dash line. So this is the shape of the equipotential surface for the point charge. So this is the shape here is a sphere, right? Okay, and the next is okay, number 2. So we have three charge, negative 5 microcoulombs and 3 microcoulomb and 8 microcoulomb, and the distance between charge 5 microcoulomb to 3 microcoulomb 10 cm, and this is distance is x. If the resultant force x on the negative q here, so this is a charge on the negative microcoulomb is 35. So meaning we have a two force x on the negative 3 microcoulomb. The first force is come from the charge negative 5 microcoulomb. So because of this is negative and this is negative, this is positive. So the force x on the negative charge here, negative repulsive. So direction, let's say this is a q1 and this is the q2 and this is the q3. So the force by the q1 on the q2 on the q2 direction to the right, repulsive, and the force q3 on the force by the q3 on the q2, because of this is negative and this is positive, so negative charge attract to the q3. So meaning the charge q2 have two force. The first force to the right is a F12, and the second force also to the right is a F32. The resultant force, so meaning we have the two force here, the resultant at the negative q2 here is equal to 35 Newton. So as you know, the force electrostatic force is equal to equation, okay, q1 q2 over r square. So the force here is referred to the resultant force given by the question is a 35 Newton, and the first force is F12. F12 is a force between Q1 and Q2. So K is constant. This is a Q1 on the Q2, and the distance here is a R square. And the second force plus X on the Q2 is between Q3 and on the Q2, and the distance here is X, right? X square. So here's the value given by the question. The K is a constant 9 exponent 9. This is K also 9 exponent 9, and the Q1 is the charge of the Q1 is a minus, this is minus 5 microcoulomb. The Q2 charge is a, also no need you to use a negative charge here. So again, the total force is Q1 Q2 over R square. So meaning you have a two force X on the Q2 here. we have the two force. The first force is come from the negative 5 and the second force is come from the 8 microcoulomb. So calculation, because the net force is 35 Newton on the Q2, so K is constant, right? K is 9 exponent 9 and the Q1 is a 5 microcoulomb and the Q2 is a 3 microcoulomb, and divided by the distance here is 10 cm, convert to the meter is power of -2, and plus K is a constant 9 exponent 9 times Q3 is a 8 microcoulomb and Q2 is a 3 microcoulomb. Okay, no need for you to use a negative sign here to calculate the force, and divided by R square is a X between Q2 and the Q3. So here is a X square. And the next, you can use the equation here to calculate the value of the X. So use a calculator. The final answer X is equal to 0.1 meter. Thank you.